What's going on, guys? It's your boy Stunner Breezy, baby, coming to you live with another one. Another lit video, baby. Hey, man, y'all know how we do it. Might step outside, might carry me a bluesy. Hey, what? This is no fluff YouTube, so we gonna get right to this money. You know when you click on the video, you know when you see Stunner Breezy and I posted a video, we finna make some money. You understand what I'm saying? Now, we're going to talk about the beast, first of all. The greatest platform ever created, which is the Drip Network. Y'all already know what it is. You know what I'm saying? Anyway, and what else we're going to talk about? We're going to talk about, it's so much stuff. We're going to talk about baked beans. We're going to talk about Rubix. We're going to talk about the Web3 project. We're going to talk about Spirit Finance. We're going to talk, man, so many platforms. It's just ridiculous out here in these crypto streets. You know what I'm saying? A lot of stuff we ain't going to talk about 'cause I ain't in them. Y'all can have that. Some of them things slow rugging on y'all. But y'all, look out. Y'all do it every time, man. Every time we get something good, and as soon as the forks and stuff, here y'all go. Y'all don't learn to be in 20 forks. Man, look here, bro. Stick with the main, baby. But let's get to this monster. Let's see what Drip talking about, baby. Go to old Swizz Knop. Boy, that probably, boy, Drip is a stable coin now. Boy, that's the best. Boy, what? 1% a day? 365% on a stable coin? What? That has the possibility to go to 500? Hey, boy. And I don't know if it's a coordinated effort or what some folk trying to do. Boy, you got folk, they be selling 75,000 at a time, 80,000 at a time. Drip just taking that thing like Ali, boy, like the rope of dope, just waiting to bounce back. You understand what I'm saying? What kind of platform, just take it like that, a 1% a day platform. Boy, you better, why? Drip the best thing ever created, man. I'm going to say it every day. See what we got going on. I got what is it, 33,000 right here, just sitting right here. So I'm saying, you ain't got to, I be telling y'all, you ain't got to, every time you see $5.12, you come, oh, why? I can go get me a sandwich from Blimpies. I can get me a BLT. Let me claim and get, you ain't got to do all that, bro. Let the chef cook, baby. Just let it cook. Let it marinate. You know what I'm saying? Like some old neck bones in the pot. You can't microwave that. You know what I'm saying? I know the price go up and down, baby. Overall, you know what I'm saying? It's going to do what it do. I saw my man, Crypto Wealth did a video yesterday. And shout out to Crypto Wealth. Check him out. He one of them, analytical dudes. He be doing like layer twos and all that. Smart dude. But, he did his monthly thing where he, tell how much he make in crypto every month. And of course, Drip is the top. You know what I'm saying? This is funny. He does his thing right. And he made, I think, $20,000, like $20,000 or $22,000. Out of all the platforms he made $14,000 of that in Drip, right? 14,000 of the 22 he made in Drip, but he had the most negative stuff to say about Drip. I'm like, what you got against Forex, man? What's up? I don't get it. You know what I'm saying? Like, you sit on, now, credit to him. He did show it. Now, a lot of people, I ain't gonna say no name. It's the same way. They making all their money in Drip, but they'll go talking about this over here and that over there and won't give Drip no credit. At least he did show his spreadsheet. He showed it. And man, he honest. He making the most money in Drip. You know what I'm saying? But I don't understand it. Why you so negative on Drip? You making all this money. You literally eating that sandwich that Drip paid for, but you got negative stuff to say about Drip. I mean, this ain't happened. That partnership didn't happen. Forex not going to do something. I don't care what you heard, who announced it, where it came from. Forex, if it ain't benefiting Drip, he just ain't gonna do it. It doesn't make sense for something to hurt Drip. Would you rather for something to come in and hurt Drip or just not happen? Rather for it just not to happen. He gonna lay out the foundation. Look, this is what you gotta do. You gotta buy this many amount of tokens and do whatever, this blah, blah, blah. They'll agree to it. Then when it come time to do it, if they don't do it, then it ain't going through. Period. So, hey, that's just what it is. I'm happy for it. That's why he coming out with his own stuff. This lottery and all this stuff, that's him. He doing that. He ain't got to depend on nobody else. And I can't wait. But anyway, let's move on, shall we? Baked Fizzles. What is that? We just did a video. My last video, it had just crossed 20,000, but we were happy. This thing is almost at 25,000, 24,000. This is crazy. But it's paying out. Oh, you got to do, though. It's the 24,000. You got to check that contract. Got to check the contract, baby. You got to check that contract. That's what you got to do. You understand what I'm saying? Okay. Match that thing up, 24,000. You see it? 24,000. Wow. This thing got $10 million in it. 10 million. And a BNB miner. 10 million. That's crazy, man. That's crazy. But this thing, hey, well, it doing what it doing. I got right here. What I got? 3 BNB. Sometime I rebake, sometime I eat. I'm gonna go on and rebake those. I read I rebake the other day 3.7. I'm gonna rebake these 3.2. All this stuff is just hydrate, man. You can call it what you want. It's just hydrate. It all come from drip. Come from that hydrate, baby. Come on, give me the finger. Give me the finger. There we go. There we go. There we go. Come on. See, this thing gonna take me over. I ain't even count that number. See, it's gonna take me over 2 trillion. I know that little trillion. Calm down. But that's about 20 million. Come on. Come on. No, that's what? 200. See if it take me over 200 million. See if it take me over 200 million. Come on. Come on. Let's see if we refresh the page. See what we got. Come on. I'm anticipating 200 million. Come on. 200 million. Come on. There we go. 255 million. Bam. There we go, baby. So baked bean, man, still running. The contract still going up. As it go up, you know, I rebake and I eat. I eat and I rebake. I probably eat more than I rebate, but I do both. You know what I'm saying? Let's keep it moving, shall we? Let's jump on over here to the Web3 project. I seen Crypto Slow do a video on this yesterday. I jumped on in it. Looked like to me, it just looked like a Titano fork. And Titano is massively successful. So, you know, we'll see what this one do. You know what I'm saying? Look good so far. Got 400,000% APY. And it's been hanging around now. Now this one, it does, let me see. It does rebase. It's basically what it's just a rebase token, reflection token, whatever you want to call it. It compound every 3 seconds. Why they don't put an S right there? Say compounds, not compound. Compound, because you don't do it, they do it. So compounds every 3 seconds. You know what I'm saying? Says low risk back, but I don't believe all that. Dual rebasing, steadily increasing the amount of okay. You know, we'll see. We'll see. You know, only time will tell. The only thing you need to know is when you buy it, is a 14% buy tax, 16% sale tax. That's what you need to know. You know, I tell you what you need to know. All this black hole and Web3 help the auto liquidity engine, all that, man. 14% buy tax, 16% sale tax. The easiest way to buy it is click up here. You know, so I don't know if they ain't got no, I don't know, Pancake Swap be kind of rough. So it go to Bog Finance. It's easy. Just click that and then you can buy it. You know what I'm saying? So I'm in it. We'll see what it do. What else we got going on? Let's jump on over here to Rubix Mine. They still going, man. This thing still going up. That's up to 17,000 AVAX. Man, if you got some AVAX, boy, this thing paying out, man. Golly. And like I said, they got a white paper for y'all that like to read white papers. They got one. They got a creators contest for, you know, if you do YouTube videos or something, they got and I saw a Facebook ad, bro. Bro, they got a Facebook ad, bro. I ain't even lying to you. Let me see if I can find that. There it is, bro. Sponsored by Rubix Mine. It's crazy. But these folks serious. 8% daily ROI on Rubix Mine on Facebook. But these folks, hey, at least they putting their marketing budget to use. Because 99% of the time, these platforms be talking about marketing budget and their fee, that's the same thing, bro. Don't be fooled. It's the same thing. But hey, shout out to these people, man. They doing some advertising. That's when that thing keep going up. You know what I'm saying? So, hey, if you on AVAX, boy, you better jump on this 8% a day or whatever. Even if it's 4%, if it's half that, where else you getting that? You know what I'm saying? I told you, I'm in it for a good time, not a long time, baby. Let's go, Rubix Mine. What else we gonna talk about? Let's keep the money train moving, baby. Let's hop on over here on Spear Finance. Well, look here, man. I'm looking out the window, right? Kids are cruel. I'm watching these two boys race. So they was even at first, and one little boy edged in front of the other little boy. So the little boy that was from behind, I guess he got mad and clipped the little boy up. He did the old one-leg swipe. Hey, man, y'all remember we would live with the one-leg swipe? Don't act like y'all don't remember the one-leg swipe, man. Golly, that was but kids are cruel, man. I'm just in here watching like, wow. Anyway, they still cool, though. They ain't fighting in there. But it's just funny. I love the people watch. You ever like the people watch? Go to like a metropolitan area, man, and just people watch. Anyway, Let's keep it moving, shall we? Spirit Finance, man. Hey, another Titano fork, if you ask me, you know what I'm saying? Saying they got the highest KYC by Obsidian, so I guess they known. They got the Certec audit. I wish they had the Palladian audit. I just love Paladin. Is it Palladian or Paladin? I think it's Paladin. I just think Paladin has the best track record of, like, you know what I'm saying, really digging into these contracts. But Certec is cool too, you know what I'm saying? Audited by Solidity Finance. So, hey man, powered by Polygon. I bought mine on Polygon. Bought mine on Polygon. Now they say you can buy it on Polygon, Ethereum, Binance, Phantom, Arbitrum, Avalanche, Harmony. That's pretty cool, man. Hey, you gotta give them credit for that. But let's enter the dashboard, man. Let's get into the numbers. Let's see what's happening. They say they're the S&P 500 of crypto. That's what they say. That ain't what I say. That's what they say. I love the graphics. I love it's, you know, it's pleasing to the eye. You know what I'm saying? It's pleasing to the eye. It's real smooth. All right, let's see this thing populate. See what's going on. Show you my dashboard. See what I got going on. See that? Hey, up and to the right, baby. That's what you like. Up and to the right. That's what we like. Up and to the right. That's what we like. All right, so I got $3,600 in here, man. Daily earnings is $69. This thing rebases every 30 minutes, so I get a buck. It was a $1.41, so I guess you know I get a little more money now. I get a $1.43 every 30 minutes. My daily ROI is 1.91%. The share price is 7 cents. I think I bought mine at 6.1 cents, so it's up a penny. I think it was like 8 cents this morning, so you know, but it's plus 20% over the day. Market cap is 182 million. Ooh. Now this is what you need to know. Buy tax is 13%. Sell tax is 20%. Transfer tax, I don't know. I ain't sending nobody no spill. Max tokens, you could have a max token at 869 billion. So I might go a little heavier into this, to be honest with you. I might. They seem to be serious about this thing, you know what I'm saying? So I don't know. I might go a little. So they got the audits and everything. I might. You know, so next time you see this, I might be a little heavy into it. So Spirit Finance is on Matic. That's why I get mine on Matic. So we'll see, man. But anyway, like the video, comment, subscribe. Holla back at your boy.